How to make an easy flower with a paper. It's a very simple but very nice flower. Just give a paper, just take a paper, this type of papers. If you it's a square shape, then it will be better. But I don't have any square paper, that's why I have to take this type of paper and just first make a fold here and after that just this side another folding. After that two folds, another and fold another. It's look like this type of web. Hmm. And you can um, and you get this type of. After that again and again, and this will look like this type. You can see this look like this type of web. And therefore let's make a fold. This type of, and just cut on here with this position and use a glue. And use a glue to cover it. I'm giving here some glue. Okay, and just join it. And just open it, and you will see that this is a nice flower. So look.